Hello guys, good morning. It's Megan Ryan and I'm back with a choppy day trading recap. Choppy, but I stayed green. It was great. Look at this PLTR. It's just chopping around here. But most of my trades are good. Managed it well. Started with really good trade. I was actually one and done for the day. As you can see here, I took it long here. I even added for this candle break and then took some more off. I even took most of my shares here because I knew that it's not really going to move a lot, because I expected the day to be just boring. I guess there's really no momentum. RVL was just really low, and then stopped out. I even took it short here when I saw that, okay, maybe I'm gonna short it for the break of this area here. Took it short, took profit. I even added, took profit, stop out, and then short again, small size, stopped out, flipped it to long, and then I took most of it here. It's not really moving. I was all out here. Yeah, and then what really happened, I took it short, I added, it's not really moving. I said, okay, I'm gonna stop. Imagine if I held it, I could have stopped here at 26.05. That was kind of my stop area. It kind of rejected this area again and then it moved down. So PLTR only moved about 78 cents. I was expecting it to move up at least $2, but the RVL is really low. Look at the RVL, it's like 83%, so it's not really bound to move. XPEV was great. So XPEV, let's look at XPEV. But yeah, look at this buy area here. I have a buy area here, but it's just, yeah, I didn't see it because there's no volume in the first 3 minutes. Look at that, 1 2 3 volume came in here. Look at that, rejected this pre-market high, tested it, and then it kind of held this area here, and then look at that, it just went all the way up to my area, which is 34. So this is my selling area actually. Like, I can just trade like buy here, sell here, but it's hard for me to do that. Maybe I'm gonna like, sometimes these are more accurate if I'm more patient. Sometimes I just give back around this area and then give a lot of commission fees. But imagine if I just, buy in this area, sell in this area, short in this area, buy at that area. So I don't know, my lines sometimes are better than me, but those are just areas that I want to sell just in case, or short. I could have shorted it here as well, but I didn't really do it because I don't want to stay. I don't want to be red and might just hulk out for the day. I was also watching AZN. How much AZN moved? Moved about 40 cents. I was expecting it to move $1, but it didn't really move. Let's look at the open. Yeah, volume is crazy. Oh no, not a lot, 290. So yeah, so there's really no momentum. Even like, seriously, even for PLTR, I know that if I take it long here, I could have stopped out. So that's why I took it here, because there's really no RVL for this stock. So my short area is actually coming now, or take profit area for PLTR. So you can see for PLTR, I have a take profit area here at 26.50. Long area was 25.90 area, and look at that. But there's really no momentum. If there's really no momentum in this stock, like, you can probably start shorting it here now, because it's probably not gonna go. It's not gonna go more. It will probably, but it's really slowly creep up. But yeah, since I only trade momentum, I'm like a very impatient trader. Look at how much I traded here. Even there's no momentum, I still caught good moves. But yeah, I wish this was my last trade. I said, okay, if I stopped out here, I'm just gonna give up, because I was expecting it to move at 25.65 and go all the way down. It's a gap up stock, so I was being careful. That's why I just decided to just bail out here. Look where it is now. Let's have a quick look and watch. But before everything else, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel for trading updates. But today was just boring, so I'm sorry for that. Let's watch. Okay, so let's fast forward this a bit. So I was actually watching AZN. What's this? AZN, PLTR, and XPEF, but nothing's really moving at that time. Let's look at the first minute, see what happens. There you go. Actually, it was PLTR was moving crazy, so I was like kind of caught my attention. So let's look at PLTR. So AZN had about 1.9 million. That was great. I didn't know that. It moved about 25 cents, so that's already 25% of my expected move for $1. PLTR, I was expecting it to move $2 only, but the daily ATR is $4, so I was only expecting it $2, like half of that. And look at that, I was right. Arval was really low, so yeah. Moved about 24 cents with 1.5 million at the open. And this one, no volume, like chop. So let's look at PLTR. So opening price is about like at this area, so I took it long. I even added, took profit. So just like that, I was done. Done really quick. There you go. I took most of my shares here because I just needed that move, because I'm pretty sure I was gonna get stopped at break even, so I stopped out there. So I said, okay, I'm gonna take it long again if it holds 95, but it didn't really hold 95. I kind of like the drop. Look at the volume here. So I shorted it. I rejected the opening price. So I'm kind of liking this opening price now. Like I'm noticing, like when I'm trading, I like it. I like trading a short, like below it, long above it, something like that. So I took some more, took some profit in there. Really good move. And I said, okay, am I going to get stopped, or I should add? Because I'm right in the opening price, but I'm not in the short area. I'm still right in the middle of this. You know, we don't know where it's gonna happen, what's gonna happen. So I added. Took some more profit, because like I said, it's not gonna move much, right? And I got a slippage in there when I stopped out. I actually wanted to stop just here, but I got a slippage. So after that, so two good trades, one good trade. I said, okay, let's look at 26. If it rejects it, I'm gonna probably short it, but it's above everything, so I don't know why I shorted it. Like there's volume here. You can see this blue bar and this blue candle. It was not a sign to take it short. It's probably forming like a bull flag, yeah, like a bull flag here. So that's why I stopped out a bit too late, but you know, and took some more off. I just need a quick profit. So I took profit, hoping for a break. It's not really breaking, so I took most of my shares here. It's just not really moving at all. Yeah. Because my average was not really that good, so I just decided to just bail out. I said, okay, I'll bail out, and I should have watched the other stocks than PLTR, because it was really bad. So took it short here. Average is 25.91. Yeah. have been added. So yeah, this is the time I was like, should I stop out for a loss this trade, or should I wait for 26, 25, 65? So that's kind of my target. Actually, it's right above. It's kind of dangerous. It's right above. So yeah, I had a chance to go break even or step out of break even at this point, but I didn't want it because I want a bigger move. I didn't even take profit or something. It was like I need 25, 70 or 80 or 75 before I take my first partial. So yeah, nothing really is moving. See how patient I was in here. I should have taken profit in there, but I did not. Because like I said, I need a bigger move. Stock is no Arvel. So yeah, and I said, okay, if it's tried 92 or 95 again, I'm gonna stop. Yeah, so that's where I stopped out. And look at what happened. I think it went all the way to 15 or something. So I'm out of shares, zero shares. I was really focused on the level 2 at this point, and time and sales, and really looking what's happening when a stock reaches 26 or the opening price. It's really struggling. It was really struggling for it to drop. I don't see anyone see that was selling pressure. So I was kind of thinking maybe I should enter again at this point, but it's right, everything is right above VWAP and everything. So could probably just it's probably just consolidating around this area, and it's probably gonna move up, which I think that's what it did today. But let's see. So I think that's it. I got nothing else to say. Look at XPEV. Man, look at that. Could have traded it here at this area for a break of high of day and 34. Yeah. So I tried again. I said, oh, it's gonna go now without me. Oh, I'm so happy it did not go. If not, I'm gonna get full mode. So yeah, let's look at the main chart. Oh my god, look where it is now. Maybe I should start shorting it here. Yeah, I'm gonna start shorting it here. But maybe small size. Okay, starter. You've been added. So I'm gonna pause this a bit because it's taking time to record. Okay. If it drops to 44, I'm gonna take profit. So average is 59 or 60. Yep. Come on, man, move it. There you go. me 44. Stop it. So I'm just gonna pause it because it's not really moving. Okay, let's see. $50. There you go. I'll take some more. Okay. My montage was locked. That's like I was taking profit. Now I miss it. It's fine. If it goes back to 60, I'll probably just step out. But we have a better average. Yeah, someone selling 55. Let's see. Yeah, it looked like it's gonna go for another high of day 64. Okay, it's rejecting. I feel like I don't want to do this. If it prints 65, I'm gonna step out. Because yeah, it's a bad. Yeah, I'm gonna step out. Yeah, I didn't want to do that. Now it's like not really feeling that trade, but yeah, I give back a bit. It's fine. All out. Let's wait for the next level, which is 2750. I have another level here. 2750 area. Okay, looks like it's still gonna go. Looks like it's still going. I'm just taking profit in there. My montage was locked. My other montage was locked. Yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching. I forgot where I was anymore. Oh, going back. So it's really okay. So it's probably not gonna continue. It's like a double top. But I don't want to trade anymore. Yeah. I wish it dropped more, and then it could be fun. But like I said, PLTR had no R-vol. Look at that. So there's no momentum, no R-vol, no momentum. So at least 200% or more than 100. It's great. This is probably just gonna slowly go up to the next level, maybe another $1, but it's just slowly going there. And yeah, sorry about that. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates. I don't want to trade anymore because it's sometimes you just have to stop trading. Like when there's really no momentum, just stop trading. Like these are the things that sometimes we can't control ourselves because we're greedy. We want to make more money, but yeah, I think this is the time. All right. Have a good day, everyone. Stay safe and see you guys tomorrow.